Kublai happy baro kiba pet yakan ni ko kubor upet ngo cable news. Kimat bakong san menta katayo kilong. Job bon ngut ki kertong ka VPP ha KHADC bat ke NPP ha JHADC. Shimti uba syembol lang renja kum UCEM bat uba strong pilar kerjana kum chairman ke KHADC. Sedang kedua bar mangtengka da kejingwan ajing keren ulat kejela. Bamdu kitliting ya kayeng bat sensar ha kejing japluk ding ha smu suba badan batang kenang. Nlet ya kendu menteri rang ba Konrad Kesangma ya menteri ya dari banbo ya ki instrument landing equipment ha kejaka sipai. Halor kalen tirel na Assam sejawai daiban ailat de kitrashnong bakin rai kibanabar kim daiban tuklar ong menteri kesorga Meghalaya. Bat ensyong yaki uba Michael NSM hajan sekretariat naduk kalai tarik uluber halor kejing syakni kejaka baju simwai. Hadian bagi ba kiladap ban tap yaki vote kejongki hakala asing ulai jong katayau katana District Council Affairs kala nyau yaki vote bat kaseng Voice of the People Party VPP kala penkendet yaki pat kerilum khasi jantia hakaba khat nyau ngut ki MDC kila syajit haki election MDC Shaka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council KHADC bat prangut ki MDC kila syajit ban mi khamat Shaka Janta Hills Autonomous District Council JHADC.
Declare Shri Shemborlang Ranja the voice of the people who has been duly elected from the 10th constituency to be a member of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, and that in prudence the Lord has granted to him this certificate of election. He is the most 22 February 2020.
Nga. Saya sin ni kong nga ko apen pau yu play track and run. Umla do rengkat bengan dadu bang sim garai. Nakam tapan mi yang nak election MDC. Ban nadu bang sedang banyaj. Haman ki senang, haman ki mijelang, haman ki meeting baru angai ya keksi ti dan bor jong u. Ban menta ka sniru. Wala rigi perlok mana kini kisngi kindat singi kilai phone nga da kajing diaw mensim renga ong iki bangaru ngalapang kre naga menta ka jingjob haka arp sau tarik bat shisharu ublay ya kajing kerpat kijongi baro ulas ngap bola ai sai kini ka buram naga menta ban tray kini ka lingkor ka ban kit om tang ya menta ka lang kedam lai krok konstitusi hendra ya ri bagi jai benrio Nagar paro ifi kipat no kersan ke jonga ba om tang ba fin duai nang kamta ke jingjob ka pokong san ba fin bo jing duai manado mata sngi ngalakit ji gelengkor naga benta bantrai ban ngai skam ba ke jing duai ke jong fi kalong kham khrau shu bangala ban kit yang ni gelengkor om tang bangan yo bandrung nawanta ban le iki kam hapo snong potha jong konstitusi hendrai bangala asya ban yasat ban trai iki kam komutang nong mikmat naga banta ki imlang salang kham tam nam tak lawe iki peteng iki kam baro kom ka parti kalapan kre dan yang bang ya rengkat begini lam juga parti kom ba fi angnut ngaru ngan trai kom tang num set syukur fi ngan trai kom bangong fi kom bangong hakapor pengejulet kisang kitau nganum penjaburam milade nganum penjaburam ya kiyen kesam nganum penjaburam ya ka parti bangami ban nganum penjaburam ru ya ki panjang sesnong jong legedam lai krok kublai syajar
Kaseng Voice of the People's Party VPP kelasar keleng ki constituency ki election MDC jongka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council. Bat ko makalong mata ka VPP kelajap ki kanyo tili ki constituency. Kajingyo vote kadang ya nrei haduk menta kelajap ki kanyo tili ki constituency ki bekentup ki nongkrem lajum kra jayau maukar mau that raishan nongston seorang kam mau kenrau nong temai mau plang ding yei mau lai meliam mau kerwat umroi sning mau hati bat lang kerdam. Laban ong baga VPP kelayok lupa ke number menelam ke executive committee ke batamai haki HADC. Hakawai pakaliang ke NPP kelajap hamau senram nong sken. Ka UDP kelajap hasoyong baga jingyo vote kiwe ki constituency kana yach kaman. Hapapai ke district riboy. Na ka jirang District Council constituency uba Sosthenes sotun jongseng NPP ula job. Nagadong po constituency ikong Rona Khamdej nagaseng NPP ila job. Naga Mauhati constituency uba kenjo alang rangtong nagaseng VPP ula job. Nag-umsneng constituency uba Banriko Senong Steng naga VPP ula job. Bat nag-umroy constituency kertong keseng VPP uba Isen Aihing ula job ya kenig election.
Council, and that in token thereof, I am granted to her.
Thank you. Nghe ngài ngô ublay try kan ran mà ba klem ka tem ka jingdon kat ka jong ublay ni num poi shikani ka thong ka bangi poi manta bat kadega jingai kublay kerpang iki pai ba nong thmai mar ba kila padi ba kamnum don kuno ko bor ka bangi la ban ile klem ka jingdon ka jong ublay te ka ta kadeg pring ko ka bang ko pan ai ngo kadega jingjob ki pai ba jong ka constituency nong thmai bat jingai dati ke jungi kadang sedang nang ni syakmat di comment bet ya ka babha bat inget scam ru ba kum bangila imi benile election nadu basdang ka bor jung jing doi gen pinkot du ya kata dinya daga bor ka ba ublay ula ai ba appreciate bor dingi bat nga ai kublay kerpang iki pai ba nong tumai watla ka turn out ka duna rei ngim ladan ka no ko mensi ke jing artati bagi ni ok ban khai jung so jing job.
The state of Meghalaya hereby certified that on the 24th day of February 2000.
Thui ka kerteng ke jonga mo aku apun itu ka kerteng ke jonga si iru mo ka kerteng jonga di ai bandak den efling dong asa hati halau sutun mo kublai shibun mo bang aku ya ke ga pi pikiran ka ngangai thakan ka singi pila itu mo yanga mangadai ka candidate pangadai ka mo pi ka nong job jo ka milim constituency ka kublai shibun
kamilim adu mentang nang i kadang bun bagi jing sadien hakan development gi nakaliang jumpi ke imat ke ba kamat ke bakong san ba pinra kan tam ka roi ka para ketika constituency
ka baidai ba roi ka par bun ki mat mo ka manifesto ka bangi ngila ka naga party pangin pendap hoki kata mo kam bangi pet ki bentabun ki bang kidang leave behind mo kidang don chedin kini ki ka constituency ke chung ngin pen bhai kita pangin trai ka we pa ka we mo ki we pangin kentiu kumnu bangin kentiu ya ka shnong ka tau cho kam lim constituency patru hak baidai ba ka chat bendiru nim ino ekata
Haka jing priya jong ka parti bat ke bangi ngila election pai ba ngin pendap je ka kat kum ka bangi election pai ba
tapi yo ini ke jing job napa mo plan
ngadap dah kami sibuk besok meni di kau tengah yang usai beli la ai ni ketika sasni wah lo cuba bi kita kicing dua kijungi bat ngai ku beli lu iki pai ba jong ka mo plan di bala ya sutu ki bala ketat ya ko jong bisa bat ki bala ai ni tak kecil kesan ke barat ba ketika election nang bisi kita
ke imat kita gimat berkong do ba pinra anta posisi konstitusi ta konstitusi ba jago tre
tangi iso ke parti ma
In the state of Meghalaya, hereby certified that on the 24th day of February 2025, I declare Shri Gibran Hussain of the Voice of People Party who have been duly elected from the said constituency to be a member of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, and that in token thereof I have granted to him this election.
Ngai ngo ni kong yo blai tai kan bala ai ni ke ni ka jinjob tasngi ban ngai khu blai ru ye ki pat ba jong ka 8 Nongkram District Council constituency bakala bit ya badlong ku ta dong mi khman ban represent ye ka Nongkram constituency ba khaju ko por ngai khu blai ye ki nongkit kam jong ka party nadu i president rangba pat ke central body jong ka VP ba kum jo wei pui kha jong VP ki bla tristam nadu bastang ye ke ni election hadu menta ba ki na yo khai jum ni so jinjob menta singi
kani kai sai ta kan jumpa khat nong seng pi ko mung so tho ka adi thamang lagi jata ta abon proses ta ka majib number kanyo abon sinchar marwai ka ko do sai pi por khat ya kani ka ban thau ya isi pat
ha ka badai ban ya thau isi ne bang ya pakat khmat kata ngai e start jong party min sai don ni ka meeting ai ba ka party kan ses decide ni da
rai kejingya kun nang te ka ya khat ba Idon kini ka expectation ba pinyo ini ke job.
Oh dadu kebetulan kesini ngila don lepas ka cingkerman lembah ke cing brainstorm dekat bak parti kino nam cuk parti no presiden barang bak cuk parti kino nam baro bak tunjuk ya
kacing don kat jogi MP badon don cini ba aja serplan kita don cikaman panadu ban kong kesini ban poisa thong kima kita kita ba penong ba kipat ba jong soring kan kinjiat ipi kedau ba kadai haloka nong rem jongga parti ke ba nila lech kipat ba dan ba kini house nam ba kini altli election UI ba kipat ba na kamar keneng ba ka so kam konstitusi ki ai ka chishnya kipat mat so ka parti haloka nong rem ba bila lai ba kini altli election
Unikonge I go you play right now. Glory be to God, the highest. Ngate kalong ni ka jingele ate kalong kwa. Itanat kung mangi expect kung tahi ka montaro nong ipi ulit ang balong kung MDC. Henry MLA plus MDC. So I try to work harder nang takanika election.
POE kumno ba man ki constituency UBPP u sar khat ya kading jingjok
nga man kan page yu ito sa city ng nangon patay hindi kan page wa kan also ga constituency la jong like system tanam ta kawai way boro isa page bin isa ken bar kat number gilo mo we expect for the best mo na lead in isi mo kumta
kay makata-kata ko ba pi
parang ko yung begitu ang pagbibipi barko niya sa isi naman kung mag-isoko mo ta pagbibipi sa barko
I think we are always welcome. Pada ngaso ba min yeshong sibit la sibit amin is yeshong is pendek tekat sim party decision will be the final.
Hagajing permenai ke result jagi election chaka KHADC hakisan teli ke constituency gariboy. Kaseng VPP kalayo jingjab ek lai teli ke constituency dan bag NPP kalayo jingjab ek artli ke constituency. Hagani ka kanti sawut ki kertong ke badai ki MDC kala sya penliam no ki bakentup iba balajit rani na ke UDP na nongpo ikong Magdalene S Maulong na ke NPP na umsning uba rangkensai karbuki na ke NPP na umroy ba Victor Rani na jirang. Kikertong ga VPP beliau ek jingjab kikentup iba isen ai heng na umroy constituency ubala penlem no iba rangkensai karbuki da ar hajar pra vote hakaba ulayo kendai hajar kendai spa lai punyo vote persya iba karbuki ulayo nyo hajar kendai spa ar kendai vote ha mawati constituency uba kenjo lang rangthong naga VPP ula penlem ikertong ke NPP uba joblin stand da shi hajar san pulai vote hakaba uba kenjo lang rangthong ulayo khatwai hajar san spa kendai par vote kadba uba joblin stand ulayo 10,000 san spa lai kendai vote Sning constituency ukertong ga VPP uba Bandrikos nong steng ula penliam ikong Magdalene S Maulong da sanspa nyo po vote. Hagaba uba Bandrikos nong steng ulayo 10,000 sanspa lai po vote. Kadba ikong Magdalene S Maulong yayo kendai hajar kendai spa andro po vote. Hanong po constituency ikong Rona Kamdet ibadai ka kertong jo ke NPP ilayo ek jingjab dagba penliam uba Balajit Rani ubari MDC. Jang kini ke constituency dalai hajar ndrus pa saw vote. Hakani ke jingikon ikong Rona Kamdet ilayo khatwe hajar lais pa andro vote katba uba Balajit Rani ulayo nyo hajar ndrus pa andro pa vote. Hajirang constituency uba Sustanis Sotun ubari MLA mad ukertong ke NPP ulayo ek jingjab da kabayo khatlai hajar praspa ar vote. Ban penliam uba Victor Rani ubari MDC kini ke constituency mad ukertong ke Kongres da san hajar kendai spa vote. Hakaba uba Victor Rani ulayo nyo hajar praspa lai par vote.
Ai khoble yikinung tre jo ka party umroi VPP naru president Basel Mashering lembat ki isi member baro kible tre borba mit paski ya kaban ya le ya kaban pinsai yikinung songsnong nam da nongrim jong ka party kabalai ai khoble yik staff jong ka sarkar ribhoi district baro kibalai simkhya ya kaban pinmit pinbyang ngadu ke bastang ban hadu ke nikaski wamentang ai khoble ya ki nongtre jong ka sarkar kibalai ya tre borba nam da pinbyang agabak hadu ai kejing khoble ke kerpang ya ki nong kersan jong umroi konstitusi ki belong ki kenrat ki jonga kumbangila kren Syaki pajba bangi di syakri baki di kenrat. Kai ke ba di kwa melong ba jing khublei ke kerpang nadu ki barit lo hadu ki behe khamtam ya ki hep ki barit ki bakat bagi meeting ki ju ya perta ki hela hapra kanai kelong kedak jong ke jingkla ke ba ublei ula ibit ya kana ke parti jungi ben job haki wi kon si bat naga umurai kon si de khublei sibun ni piki media ru ke ba piliawan ngaingu aidem ya ublei sai simpat ubala idor rekat bati batnga bat ya kiwi ki kandidat ki ba job ngene kon si bat ki kular semat jong pajba bangin trei bangin pendep hok ya ka ke bangi kular sakmat jong pajba ke parti ke dep ya ke bang kular ngin pendep ya kata thong ka bangi trei khublei sibun
untuk kilo perasaan betul. Pakai ni kiri jujur dengan sisa berkenal waktu. Nilai punya dari election film bisa, betul perasaan jadi tak betul nak boleh betul bisa. Dari tiba ke jalan nanti jauh bola boleh yang jujur betul. Ini kamu kadang betul kau yang boleh try kerja. Kalau dalam nanti ini pun ke parti. Kalau nanti yang harus bukan di akan menolak pendiam yang kecil. Pensai pak yang dinunggu di parti itu. Nah, itu boleh bersihkan dia. Tak nak bersih. Boleh syalang rekat kami.
Nah, boleh lu Presiden BE jongi Iba Adan, Sekretari jongi Dr. Reki, Dr. Baskam Iba Brai, Bad Borok ki kinoket kam jong sentral badi. Banai boleh lu Iba Barap, Iba Hoket, Bad Borok kinoket kam jong Counseling Circle. Banai boleh hamtam na kebentar je kinong song jong muslim konstituensi bat ikitu giba la kerjaan bat penjab dan buram yang mentasni di 10,000 sanspa lai paungut kinong kerjaan gibe jongi tinakali ang jonga ngaskopan penpau ba hakani upor kay bangin salia nang nismat ngin buram ba yakara jong parti bat ngin kasimu ba khmatam jong parti kadai banwana kesensyar kadar bakoi
lengba jongpi ngaso ban penpau ya ka jing kuble ka ba kerpang ka jonga ya ki dong song snong jong ka nong po constituency ki balai ka jing shania yang ngasai sisin pa kitu ki ba don ka jing shania yang kum kanong yalam ka jongki bat kum juru na ka benta kitu baro ki ba yo i jingai ki ba kwa ka jing roi ka jing pa bat ka jing kala jong ka nong po constituency
pada nakaliang kayeng kesem kejungi ngi penpau ke jingkublei ya ki pajba jong ka konsensi baro ki balai ya ka jingkersan ke pura nang ta ke jingkublei ka leju saki sabaro ki nongelam ki bala sim ya ka jingit kli ki balai trestom ki bala ya du tia du dem ki bala lej seman lagi snong balai ban pensusu balai ban kepat ki pajba bagi pajba di kediang ya kena kaya jigerpat kabaki nongilam rekat batu Emily beri kortong penpawe ke jingkublei kebakat pangeki bat ka buram ru ke peningkong he ngasuban ai ke buram sikit pajba jong ka jirang konsensi bat kumju ru yeki nongilam baro iblai tristom te kalentihi kalong ba kabahmat tam hi kumbu nomikmat kum emile kathong hi kalong ba ngan haban tristom nak menta kumno ban la ban warla iki jingmentoy nak menta ipai ba aka konsensi ka jungi kata gede kathong kabahmat tam kaba nak leng junga kumbu nomikmat namar ki pajba ki ai ki disania ibu ya ka ki ai ka jingit bagi bu ya kejing sania hanong mikmat dina kalian juga anil tristom kat bala nakanta ban penwandur ban saindur ya ke konsensi bahkan la bagila ban kentio baru dibentah
Ki arbau khandai ngut ki MDC ki bela job dang shen ye ki election ban mi khamat saka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council ki HADC hakasi palai jong kata yo gile shimbanta hakajing bam smai ban long ki MDC bapura jong ka council.
Yagini ki arp khandai ngut ki MDC ki bethamai lapan bam smai daga Deputy Commissioner ke District East Khasi Hills ikong aram korba haki yang darbar jong ka ki HADC. Na pedang ki arp khandai ngut ki MDC ki kenthop ye ki khan nyongut nak seng VPP sangut nak UDP saungut nak NPP iwai nak HSPDP bat arngut ki MDC klemseng. Mentaka kenti gladon ru saungut ki long keme ke belasha jet kum ki MDC ki berkenthop ikong Grace Mary Karpuri nanong sken kong Rona Kamdet nanong po kong Deity Majau na Malki Lamkra bat ikong ai bandap den lingdo nong lait na Meliam constituency. Kiwai-kiwai ki MDC ke balabam semai ki kentup iu ba kenjok rangtong ba bandrikos nong steng ba Isnei Heng ba Bill Clinton wankar ba Sei Borlang Warba ba Kit Borlang Siem ba Shem Borlang Renja ba Winston Tony Lingdo ba Strong Pillar Karjana ba Denzel Archan ba Edison Karumnuat ba Lancaster Marbanyang ba Powell Soklet ba Penkrau Borlin Karjarin ba Jurisman Yau Penyau ba Sostenis Sotun ba Alvin Kesaukme ba Bariku Parsendram ba Titus Starwell Khan uba Senchar Kupar Roy Lengdok Thaba, uba Equator Nongrang, uba Pius Marwen, uba Ricky Shulai, uba Lurshai Karbani, bad uba Strali Rashid.
Having been elected as a member of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, do swear in the name of God that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, and that I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am appointed.
Jingmut dur kin bun kin ong ba kata kala banja kumta teng kai ka bangi mudur kamlong mereka reality ngi hapan accept kai ka baja ngi hapan accept dan mereka ka politics ngim judan full stop udan tang koma ngimla bantip kai ka banja la syai kai ka banja la sisngi dan re ya ka bamantangi accept kumba kalong ngin ya trailang na ka banta ka jing bahajing miat jong council ba jong pai ba
Akin kisni ang ikin piyat la kajong but NPP na kita lang
ya manta kamud ka UDP ka don bay intact la kajong namar ba nakaliang jong ki NPP bat kiwe ki MDC menir kila ya kendo kila ya form la kajong ka group den re ya manta ki patdon kan nu kajing ya keren den re le si yo kadon kajing ya keren hadian habut ya kata ngam patang ong den re ya manta kamud kum ki UDP ngidang don intact kajong
namar ko magi iba ka UDP katam na baro kini ki opposition te pencim maki ya kata ka yu hello
haduk mentang impat ya keren ai ban nakaliang ka jongar ngam pat kuai ban ya keren ni kata namar ko bang ong mene ka kam CM rupat dep kam Sherman rupat dep si kendap syak ini ngin sia keren ka LO ka deka last part ha ka ba Sherman seperti saya
UMDC kalat kro lengkedem constituency uba Shemborlang Rinja hakasing thoding ula shimte yakashuki chief executive member CEM katba UMDC kamau kharpan thorum kra uba strong pillar kharjana ula shimte yakashuki chairman jong KHDC hadin bekila job yak election klamda don manu kibanyakun persyayaki
Ha performance step ka Deputy Commissioner ke District East Khasi Hills ikong RM Kurba ila penlong ya kadorbar banjedi chairman betmai jongka council. Henry namar bakim shmalan kino ki MDC ke benekon ki elect chairman kumta ka Deputy Commissioner kala penbenah ki yang dorbar bauba strong pillar kharjana ula job suk ki election klem kano kejing yakun. Ki MDC glalet ben senran uba strong pillar habu lalet ben shong hakashuki chairman ban penya no ka dorbar jongka council. Ki MDC negaliang sensyar bat liang persya iklai kublai bat kitbok kedruang yo ba strong pillar bonla ban penya de kedorbar bat kila kentur yo u bakum ukli jong yang dorbar de ban cha shiliang nrei ban long hapdeng
Suara nangailan di members banai juga na pernah ba aku baru 34 of the Assam and Meghalaya Autonomous District Constitution of the District Council Rules 1951 as amended. I hereby nominate Mr. Alvin Khairim Saukmi and Mr. Kenjo Rangtong to form the panel of chairman for this first session of the newly elected City yang ini ke City Badan Buruk Panong Ulampang Jom dari Badan Buruk aku beri eki Paipa Jom ke Mokar Pentuar Konstituensi di Belajir eki Bandung Upat Jom dari ini Tumba dan tadi Khot nantai nako langkah dan naik pro bagai perspektif kami strong pillar di kerana berpulang bisa berupaya ubahkan atau kepentingan yang lebih terbaik lagi. Seluruh yang kawan aku berempang mempelajari yang dikasih dan kedua kesini lepas dah. Nah, kalian jomblo, dan lain lagi tidak dia dibawa oleh akan memilih muncul, memilih ulama jomblo ini.
Tidak percaya kebetulannya. But kalian cuma ringkas, but konsensi kami kapat lepas notion konsensi naik kembali bah pinyo education pang jadi komplain ke boy di bagno ke bapialam ya kali ke kawan.
Ha kapur mensengi par ucaman bertemai ke HADC ubah strong pillar Karjana ulalu mekedorbar na gebentaban penlong ya ke jingjiet yo chief executive member bertemai jongka ke HADC. Ubah strong pillar ula penmenaba ubah Syambor lang renja ula syajet kumu chief executive member ke HADC. Hadin ba msyamladan kino ki MDC ke benekon persyayu haki election na gebenta ke syuki CEM. KMDC ke liang sensyar bat liang persyak ke sendan yo ba Syambor lang haba ulalit ban chimti ya ke syuki CEM banyalam ke executive committee jongka council. KMDC ke ai kublai yo ba Syambor lang ubala chimti ya ke syuki CEM bat kila kitbog yo ubon la banyalam ke executive committee bat bantrai ki kam na kebenta ke bahak kamiat jong ka ri bat ke jat benrio. KMDC ke liang persyak ke kentu yo CEM bakin ai ke jingit relang bat ban pedang lam ke jing ai jingmut jongki kabalong na kebenta ke bahak kamiat jongka council bat kipat ba. UCM bertemai haba kerana kedorbar ulah penting kena ban penurlong ya kijing kular keseng ban ai kijing sensyar ke bakhoy bat ulalong ubak kloy ban priang ya kini kijing ai jingmut bat kijing kentho bat kijing khang ke jong uru kalong ke bakria baro ulah benrap dalor kini ulah kularu bun syakri ke council klaim da syasliang khmat yano ru
kata me alu yaki ke parti yaki pradekhat joka council kibla ibet kibla peterangan yang kelengkon nak teman kit kemusian di kekam ki ke bak mat katu kan telingan penpau nak don cibon ki kam ke council meni pendap te kumbangi lah angnot na do bangi sedang mentau ni ke parti na do kami syakmat nak kebentak ka kam ke jongi nak kebentak man rai sejak kadar ke babet ke bohoj di nekong ke bak mat ke ibu kalong bangin streamline ni penbaik renti ya ka office jong ke social kata di ke bak mat ke bangi angnot nah kan ka isi ke tamai bagi penbaik renti bagi streamline yang office juga district council nang ta kamat ka ba ar ka bangi bu kalau man bu thong kalau ba nam ta ka trading lesson ya habde ka trading lesson kalau ba ginom issue tamai trading lesson ya kido no kikam ka bagi kasih jungi ka bantrai katangi bu akmat ka thong jungi ka bangi nyepet ka ekalat renti ka bangi le ngin penbaik renti ka kum renti ka badai kanang bagi samla ka jungi ki badan angnot na taman yang jong ki jat kinum do jengkermen pani ko baka an kala dan lepa tingin bo denti ka an le bandang pen scam nang pen phang na pen ba kadang baka ka bi angnot kin yo ka taka angnot ka jong ki de ha ka bade baka benta ka balai ru ka bangi ju small bi jong ka jong nam hoi ka council kala pengkhre na kam ta ka bading bai lo ka jong ki den reng yo ka jong nam ro ka bade baka jong dan ketua ni ke bapa ke du jeng lembaga ni ka building by law baka council ka rakyat te dai lang jung ingi angnot ba in pe renti ke ni ka kam ka ba ha bangi dan ke ni ka by law baka num dan ka jeng penwit ke jeng penthlia ke jeng pendik ni ban kata ru ya ka kam ka bagi long yeng kam tim kam tam ke long yeng ke baduk ke ba dan jang dot ban thau ke jung yeng ke sem jung i halai bor ka bagi la dari lembaga ada ka council ka penthlia pendik ada council ka o ka dor ka barang sing kan long ban ke jing do jing kan ye ki long ye ki ba don angnot ban te ni jung ki ti le ka council jung yeng in pe tan ti ba ni ru Bah dan ka ai ba ka ai ka nong long pat ka jing penduk jekermen ka ban pendik ka ban pen kata khali ya ki long yang lang sem ki ba ang not na ka ban ta ban thau ju gi rei na ka liang ka bai long in pit ba pat ba ba ki thau yang thau sem ka nong ka tai ka mai mariang ka nong pencakli ya ka ba di dan ta kham tam ru gini ha pit ru ka bai lo ka badi begini ki kinja jingtai ki bloki komersial iki to tengi ha ban pit ba ngin studi ba kono kala kan ti ka bagi di belek kana ba kono wanra kana no kajing ma ba na di na bon tinang taru ka we na pedeng ka ajang no jungi kalong bangin wanra dia ka pulsi tongkam tongjam amar banga ha kajing pet ke jongi kujuk dengan jongai nak leng ngai i na shu isip ting dengan nang studi ka de ngi isip ting ba yo ka council kadan ha kata ka kamangi kren ka economics ka disguise unemployment. Boya kada nak kata put jong da juga disguise unemployment na poka council. Tingin pet ba policy tongkam ka di ban long ba. La kloi ka ni kanang ba kanang ye be renti ba. Kinu hi ba rung po office council kanang da be ki banti kanang ba. Ki kun samlahi ki ba di hok ban yo ki yo. Kanang na chu ka ba shu le mo ya thong ka ba yaman. De kata. Tena tas ko di ki kam ka ba ki kanang gibon ha ka ba di ba culture. Kabang ha badai kaktin katlit ha ka badai ba kandau ka siap ha ka badai ba ki kamay mariang ka forest kini kita ikitur ki madi ka bangi kan katai marba kanu ka sarkar hi nalor ba ka penbiang ki ya kalong brewan penbiang jurang kam jong sibat jong ki imlang kasalang ringim klat pa badai ba ka mariang ngini ban pet ba ka kamay mariang jungi kalong ba seiso kami mariang kalong ba pengat kanang bangilaban imragat angkat bat ka may mariang tenang tarung kawin na penengkabentar ka bangi haman pai ba kalong ba kapon kani na kalyang jungiru kawin na penengka bangi mat kalong ban pen kepang ki jeka ki priyo ki pli sa chi kapon sesingin pe ka dogal ti ka bangi la ban wanra iki ka jingan ka jingsu kermen ka jungki lama kan ka isi ka bangi tre berkat ba council ba kowe na ka mata ka jingang no jungi pai ba no shi nang bi shi kapon tadi ki mat
Kakan Hun Menteri Jong Sarkar Jala kabele kendu hakasngi balang jong katayo kala aju menjur ya ke Meghalaya Urban Parking Policy arajar arpausan bante kendon ya ke jing penyang kali haki surakshonong bat haki jakasor bat kala menjuru ya ke Meghalaya Outstanding Sports Persons Direct Appointment Policy arajar arpausan ban aikam sarkar ikinong yelekai kibayo ikitakma haki lempung Yakob yelekai kibahe
Habaikan bikinong patay kubor, Menteri Rangba Kejelau Konrad Kongkal Sangma, ulang mag sarkar kala menjur ke Meghalaya Urban Parking Policy arajar arpusan. Kabante kendon ke jing penyang kali surok senang bat hagi jakasor Kejela, bat ka parking policy kan terekam hagi jakasor ke Banang Roy hagi Kejela. Ulang bagi break penyang kali kat Bamon. Komta kan sedon no dak jing pisa bat dan itu no hagi jaka ke bekerpang ban penyang hagi kali. Bat hagi jaka ke baon syasyu ban penyang hagi kali. Konrad Kongkal Sangma ulang bayar mentah kampat judan ke jinglum pisah ki kali ki bapenyang harut surak bat amdan ru ki kor ki bor ban pet ngor yaki bat yakani ka mat rekam lawan ra ke jing selok bat ki pulet ka tenat penroisor ka tenat transport bat kirang basnong
Meghalaya Urban Parking Policy 2025. This basically is being done as part of the comprehensive mobility plan. I've shared with you the report of the comprehensive mobility plan for Shillong 2024. We did this last year, so we have worked out in that we'll have come out with a comprehensive parking policy. Though it is mainly focused around Shillong, but we have problems of parking and problems of traffic in other growing towns also. So hence it's going to be a much more broader one. It's going to be called the Meghalaya Urban Parking Policy. And here what we're doing is that there are three parts. One is that there's already an existing municipal parking areas. Those will not be disturbed, and the same process which has been followed in the past will continue to be followed in the future also. Urban Department also has got certain parking lots. Those also will continue as they are. This is mainly for the on-street parking. So today there is no mechanism to take fees for vehicles that are parked on the road. There is no mechanism to monitor them. And this has been something that the police has been asking for, the Urban Affairs Department, the public at large concerned, and even the localities, the local headmen and the Dorbars have also expressed their concern over this. And this will be done in a way where we will be dividing the city into different zones, and the locality people will be very much involved in order to ensure that this is implemented in a proper manner. And we are hopeful that this will regulate the parkings that take place on the street, on the roads, and create a system where certain fees is charged, and at the same time people don't just park randomly. Specific zones will be given on the streets where you can park and where you cannot park. So those aspects will be looked at, and this is, as I said, being done in consultation with the police, the different urban affairs department, transport department, and also the local headmen and the Dorbar and development committees will also be part of this particular policy and this particular committee that is going to look into it zone wise and locality wise. The third part in this is also very important, where there are a lot of areas and lands which belong to the locality or belong to different organizations who are ready to work with the government in order to have a PPP and put up a parking space in those areas. So this policy will facilitate that procedure also, where if some organization or the Dorbar or the development committee has a land and they would like to convert that into a development, into a parking lot, the government will support them financially to create that parking lot and work in tandem with them to provide more parking space in the city. So, as I said, this is a parking policy which has come as part of the larger comprehensive mobility plan, which was passed last year in the cabinet, specifically for Shillong, but this parking policy will be for all the growing urban areas in the city, in the state.
Menteri Rang Bak Kejela Ulaong Bak Sarkar Jela Kala Ajeng Menjer Yaga Meghalaya Outstanding Sportspersons Direct Appointment Policy Arhajar Arpusan Ban Aikam Sarkar Kinong Ilakai Kibiyo Kori Takma Hai Kilumpong Yakob Lakai Kibahaya Ulaong Balengba Kani Kamat Rekam Barok Kinong Ilakai Kibiyo Kitakma Nagabenta Kejela Hak Olympics, Paralympics, Special Olympics, Asian Games, Na Asian Para Games, Commonwealth ne Commonwealth Para Games, South Asian Games, National Games, kinyo ke kam sarkar batkan syong rukat kum kata kema ke bakiyo. Ulaong bag sarkar keladon ya kejing penkreak na kebentakan ya kejing temu ban aikam kinong ilakai kibayo kita kema. Bat unget scam bagani garai ke bag sarkar kalashim kan ai mensim kinong ilakai ke jela ban ilakai bah ha kan National Games kaban wan kaban penlong da ke jela Meghalaya.
2027 Meghalaya is going to be hosting the National Games. So in order to prepare for that, and also in order to motivate our youngsters and especially our sportsperson and athletes. So the government today in the cabinet has approved the Meghalaya Outstanding Sportspersons Direct Appointment Policy 2025, which basically means that all athletes that get a medal for the state in the Olympics, Paralympics / Special Olympics, 2 Asian Games or Asian Para Games, 3 Commonwealth or Commonwealth Para Games, 4 South Asian Games, and 5 National Games. So in these games, specifically these games only, whenever they get a medal, the government is going to provide a government job to them depending on the medal that they receive. So if it's an Olympic medal, then it's going to be a category A, and the classifications are there, which I don't want to give the details, but we have got a full chart for it, that who and what jobs they will be eligible for. And the government, as I said, has decided today that once somebody wins a medal for the state in these specific games only, we will be providing them with a government job.
Ka sarkar jela kala ajeng menjeru ya ka mandatory medical service policy na kebentai samla ke bilek pulia doktor da ke jeng bai tengka ke sarkar la ne ka bah jong ke jela. Menteri Rang Ba Ulaong bakane ka matre kam kan pelatang ki doktor ke batrai ha ki non profit organization ne ki jaka sumar ki bapnyat di seng treman sobha bat ki hospital jong ke sarkar preng. Ukonot kongkal sangma ula penpau ke jing kermen bagi senam banwan bon ki doktor kinwan mat ha ke jing syakri jong ki ha ke jela.
If you're going for a private, hospital and working in a different commercial hospital or private hospital, that we are not agreeing to. We are only saying that there are a lot of not-for-profit hospitals that are running, and they are also giving service to the people at the end of the day. because these are low cost, low intervention in terms of the costing that's involved. I guess minimum is the best way to say it, which they almost function like a government hospital in one way. So therefore, we strongly felt that we need to encourage and motivate these hospitals who are doing a lot of work, providing the service to the people. And so this is one step towards showing our support to them. Very soon, we are also going to be giving financial support in terms of building new blocks and giving some kind of financial support to build up the infrastructure in these not-for-profit hospitals. Not all in one go, but we'll start the process. So we felt that these hospitals, they add a lot of value to the health sector, and therefore the government can find ways to support them, and we felt that this is one way in which we will exempt the doctors who are working in such hospitals from the commitments that are there while they were signing the bond.
Kador bar mang tengka jong ke jala kala sedang ha kesin thok ding jong ke tayo ha ka ba ke sorkar po ke jing alam menteri rang ba ke jala ukon rat ke sangma kalawan ra ya ka mang tengka ban yo e ke jing menjor na ke khot jong ke yeng dor bar ban la ban penyat bat pentelun ni ki kam bat ya ki program ba pher jong ke sorkar ban kentiu ya ka roi ka par bat ya ka yo ka kot jong ke jala barok ka wei.
Kini kesini sedang jong dorbar mang tengka ulat kejela UCH Vijaya Shankar ulat jengkran kemat jogi dikot jong yang dorbar tawan kejela. Ulat ulong bag sarkar jela kalau kut jengmut ban penlong ya kejela ke ban kenjo ke yok kokot ke $10 billion hapo jong senam arhajar arpupra. Ulong bag sarkar ke dan ke jeng perkat ban penbiang ya ke jeng kam ke jeng angnut jeng nong snong bag jela kala keu bha ke senam ke belalet. Dak bon ra ki but thamai kum ke CM Connect bat ke Hello Meghalaya. Ulat ulong baga jela kerang penteri kami ki projek ki babon ki belerap nabar hagleng surok ke boarding kadap karyang ke jing penek pensa ko ba ka kam jungok kai perthai yakini ki projek lebih tengka di tenat ki babon kum ke World Bank ke New Development Bank ke Japan International Cooperation Agency bat ke Asian Development Bank ha ke bahnya puar nak sispa nak jing bai pisa ke dei ke bela jing rap ke sarkar India ke bai ke basa la nok senyang nak sarkar jela. Ulang lengbak program PM Divine South League Project dan menjor ke jingmang pisa mentang ke senam ha ke bagi jinglut barok kelakot syakalai sepak kendai pesan kelur tengka ke bekentup ya ke jingshna ke surok ha New Shillong ke jingshna ya ke IT Park Hatura ke jingshna ya ke Skywalk ke Tourist Hub ha Dempep bagi jingshna ya ke Passenger Roadway Halum Shillong. Ulang bagi sarkar pedang ke menjor ke song pisa ke ba Arhajar Sauspaan Rupo kelur tengka na ke bentaban penbahaya ke jing sok surok. Bat bantai ki jaka penroy ke jela hapok ke projek Meghalaya Economic Growth Corridor. Ulat ulong bakam syumladon kanu ke jempen lip boarding ke belebu opor ke senam Arhajar Arpusau bala kami lenti bah ke senam Arhajar Arpusan ke jela kandang lat ke jempen lip boarding ke belebu opor. Bat ke sorkar karuan ra ki mission baper nagi marrep bajak jauh bah ha ke dor ke bahe komusion rai using so nyamtra so turun musla bat kangap. Kabala aja mentoy ya palat sapulai hajar mut kinong rap kejela. Nalor kania ulat keran ru ke bedai ba kakot ke kia ke pulih putih ke program baper ke ban kentiu ke kampen roy ba ke yok kakot kinong snong jong kejela.
Immense pleasure and privilege to address this August House for the first time on its first sitting for the year 2025. On this occasion, I extend my warmest greetings and best wishes to you all as we continue our ambitious journey to transfer Meghalaya into a $10 billion economy by 2028. We recognize this moment as an opportunity to reaffirm our collective commitment to the development of our great state. Today, we reiterate our constitutional duty to work together towards the brighter future for the people of Meghalaya. Let us unite in our pursuit of progress driven by our shared vision for a prosperous and thriving Meghalaya.
Kawai ke long ying, kalamat eka apot sepsi, habaki telit ding, kibala kelang bah, kila bamdu, ya kawai ke ying, kabala bu ya usensar, hakasi palai jong katayaw, hakashinong semu, Hariboy District.
Hakawai ke jingja ke basngosi, kawai ke long ying kalamat ke jingja, Hakaba kita ding besar kai gele ban bamdo ko be yang kabala bo yu sensar ubaki la pelang. Kani ke jingja kala jah ke senang smu ba ba ka tanat sning haga distrik Riboy. Kat kum ke jingtip le lom le thu ba kani ka long giang kalamat kani ke jingja besngosi kani ke jong ikong Maryland Maulong be syong basa ha ke senang smu bat ki ba imru naka kamrat sensar. Nagaliang ikong Maryland Maulong le thu ba kani ke jingja kala jah ka arpun reu trik urempang ar arpusan ha kapor ko ba ar ba JEA ha kapor ba kem shimla poi perkat. Haka ba keding gam lakling ba kali ban bamdo e bro sensar u ba kila bo ka kayeng dia thu ru ba ka nek jingjap lo ding nalor kayeng baru sensar ba kidang sudah ban on ka ding kali ban bamru ya ka solar panel ba kitiar yang ka blaw na ka jingdo nang ka bakraw so la pentep ba lor ka nek jingjap lo ding ka belajar kan san la suba jor bala bandon kiriu shim kabu ka bala thang ni pelang terkhong ki bala pelang da ka nek long gieng ha ka bai ki jaka Ki pula ke distrik Riboy na kajingay biteng may kun persya yung drugs, hakamiet jong ka arpunyo tarik urampang ar hajar arpusan. Kilayo ban panapsrep ba ban kem yung ubrew na asam ubrang tumu ban syalan yung drugs heroin sikanong ba syulong. Yang nu ubrew bala kem no di pulat ke distrik Riboy halor kajing kena odon keti ban syalan yung drugs heroin. Latip kerteng kumurajat pol balay okurup ru kumbalay pun reo poin lai gram u drugs na kabenjong u. Karkum kejing itu superintendent ki pulet ke Riboy UVS Rathor itu bagi pulet kilanang Trishtom man pendok jat drugs. Bahadian beliau jing tip sepang kejing temu bancalami drugs syashlong kila penlong ya kejing penap shrep ha kawai kejaka hajan kesnong mau tunum hak surok ba National Highway bahan Rio. Hadian katukane por ki pulet kili oban bat kawai ke Kali Torres ba kejing talasi kili okem yon ubriau bat drugs. Bat lapan ngadiu hapo ke kendon an NDPSA ke kendai sepasar prapusan. Susyuru lihat ba katnar pulet ke distrik Riboy kanam sange bantri stom ban rat den kong drugs ula kan reibha ha ke jela kamtam ba ke distrik Riboy ka deru ke kerdop ka ba kongsan bandrung ka jela.
Yesterday we got some source information that one suspect is expected to travel from Guwahati to Shillong with a consignment of suspected contraband. So accordingly, we did our investigation and then placed an NACA on NH6 just ahead of Nangpur town. And we found this suspect traveling in a tourist taxi. And in presence of witnesses, all the procedures were completed and we recovered approximately 36 grams suspected heroin. And one mobile phone was also seized from him. And after completing all the formalities on the spot, we have registered a case, we have formally arrested him and he'll be produced in the court today. And the investigation is going on. Some more arrests are likely within next few days.
Menteri Rang Ba Kajala Konrad Kisang Ma hakas balang jong katayo ulaong baon salet banyak kendu yo Menteri Yadari Rajnath Singh nakabanta banyak pendon kami kejaka sipai ban bu ikitiar instrument landing equipment kenang ban sedang no ikijisnapen he ya ka runway jong ke Umroi Airport.
Menteri Rang Ba Kajala Meghalaya Konrad Kongkal Sangma uloong ban sekerpat yo Menteri Rang Ba Kajala Assam Himanta Biswa Sarma ban sedang biang ya kejing keren benbet pot jong kawat kebar naga bentak hinriu tili jaka keberang saateng keberan hapdang kejing ya kaja pot badai kini kejing keren an sepenlong hadian balakot kedor barmang tengka jong kejela Konrad Kongkal Sangma uloong bahadian balakot kedor barmang tengka on seterwa biang yo Menteri Rang Ba ka Assam menikenduk biang bat ban penyan no syekmat kejing keren baik lada penekran teng ya kene bat Menteri Rang Ba ka Assam bat mentakin ang ap tarik ke babiang ban ya kenduk lang Konrad Kongkal Sangma uloong baki ladon ke jing temu bani kenduk nrei kilami no ki election ne program ki bahaya Guwahati komta unget scam bahadian jong kedor barmang tengka ken persyang bani kenduk biang ban penyak syekmat ya kejing keren.
We have been discussing this with Assam CM and we've been waiting for the appropriate date. But again, as I said, whenever we planning something to meet, and of course there's some election that comes up or there is some large program that happens in Guwahati. I'm hopeful that right after maybe the budget session, we will try to figure out and we'll try to meet again to take this discussion forward. But it's purely because of so many elections. We had the by-election in Gambegri, then we had the district council elections. Now we're having the assembly session, budget session starting. Assam is having their programs. So because of multiple factors, we are not able to take this forward. But yes, after the session, I will propose once again to Assam CM that we should meet again and take the discussions forward.
Menteri Rangba ke Meghalaya Konrad Kongkal Sangma ulong bakarai ke syong satang ha ke Sarkar Pedang ban pentreka me ke inline permit bat ban penrung ya ke ketian khasi bat garo ha ke 8th schedule jong keriti sensyari. Ulong baka Sarkar ke menjur ke resolution halor kini ki artli ki kam ban menta ke syong ha ke Sarkar Pedang bagan le ai no. Baru ula penpawe ke jingdan kam baru kin persyang lang ha ka ban penbore ke Sarkar Pedang bagan ai rai no mardor halor kini ki artli gimat. Ulong bagi Sarkar kelayai beteng ban bot dia ni kini kimat bat kelayai penbore ke Sarkar India ban pentrekam no ek inline permit bat ban penrung ya ke ketian khasi bat garo ha ke 8th schedule baru ula penparu ke jingdan kam bagi MP bertemai ke jela kin shimlang ya la ke benta ha ga ban penbore ke jingdawa bat ban ikendo ya menteri korbari ke Sarkar Pedang ne menteri Rangba do halor kini kimat
that we are as a government we have passed a resolution on both these aspects. Both these subjects are subject matters that are at the disposal and discretion of the government of India. There is only a limited action that the state government can take, which is, as I said, to pass a resolution at our level to request government of India to include our languages in the 8th schedule and also to implement the ILP in our state. So that resolution has been taken by our government, which shows the commitment from our side to move this forward. Now, post that, we have to now work closely with Government of India. All of us at different political levels, whether it's organizations, whether it is members of parliament, whether it is state government, everybody has to do their part, and I'm sure that everybody is doing their part. But there's a responsibility at all levels, and I'm sure that we have got newly elected members also in the MP in the Lok Sabha. I'm hopeful that they will also play their role in pushing the demand for this and meet the concerned minister, whether it's the HM or the Prime Minister, on this issue. So it requires a concerted effort from everybody, and I hope that we'll be able to push this. From the government side, we are continuously moving on this, and there's continuous pressure from our side to Government of India to include our languages in the 8th schedule and also to implement the ILP. Government of India has to be convinced about this whole issue that is there, and I'm sure that not only that, number two, also that Government of India has to see the impact of a decision that will have on the larger landscape of the country. So therefore now if they give the 8th schedule to Meghalaya, it means that if they include Khasi and Garo language in the 8th schedule, then what do we do about the rest of the 30 plus or 40 plus languages which also want the thing? So will they just give it to us, or they'll give it to all 40? Now if they give it to all 40, will it be possible to implement it? Because 8th schedule means that in parliament also you can speak, you can give communications in that language, then that examinations can be held in that language, research and is done. So all these factors Government of India will have to. So the question is now, the solution lies with Government of India. And therefore, as I mentioned earlier to you, the more pressure that we can put on Government of India from different organizations and all. So we are doing our part, is what I'm saying. The state government is continuously writing, continuously meeting, continuously asking for a schedule. And Government of India only tells us that we're examining, we're looking into the matter. So that's what it is. So ultimately, decision lies with Honorable Prime Minister. And as I said, the maximum that we could do as a state government, apart from writing letters every now and then, was to pass a unanimous resolution in the House. That is the max what we can do.
Menteri Rangba ke Jela Meghalaya Konrad Kongkal Sangma ulong bagi degree kebelah da ke skol ba USTM kidi ke shisha bat kebelah itu da ke University Grants Commission. Baru-baru ke jing ai jing bet bagi kot kisla kidi ke babiang lot nadong shadong bat kamdan satya ke jing lek bakla. Ki degree ba ai da ke USTM kidi ke besong an bat kebelah ai ki labun senam menta. Ula penkesan ru da ke boong bagila bani kendo ki brio ki han bagi samla pulih bat kin sia thu bagi USTM ke don ke jing tai bat ke saudong saukun ke babiang bha. Kinong tre giba biang bha bagla no senyang skadaya ski samla jong jela baru udap da kejing kemen bagi skul ba kum ke USTM bagi Donha Meghalaya.
No, we have not tied up with the USTM. USTM has started. They have got the necessary approvals. So whatever the approvals and whatever the permissions that are required, they have followed all procedure. So whatever is being done by the US team is totally legitimate in terms of the work that is happening. So there is no doubt about that. So we're very clear on this point.
Regarding the overall criticism against the USTM,
That you have to ask Assam CM. So that is something.
Universities in Meghalaya,
So that's why I'm clarifying on behalf of Meghalaya government and USTM, saying that all the permissions, all the necessary documentation, everything is in order. There is nothing that is wrong. I'm clarifying that again to you. But regarding comments made by my counterpart, that is something that he will have to answer. I cannot answer on his behalf on what basis or why he's saying that. That's what I'm saying.
so degrees are genuine?
Absolutely. Absolutely.
Hadian ba kaseng NPP kala job katlai seat ha Jantia Hills Autonomous District Council, batang South seat ha Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council. National President ke NPP Conrad Kongkal Sangma uloong bagi pedang ya karai jeng kipat ba bat kihap ban pet benia elade bat kihap ban trishtom ban pen klan ya kejeng trekam kejeng ki haman laki constituency. Uloong ba kaseng kan sesyong ya kejeng yalang ban ya keren bat ya tai na kebenta ban pen ba ban pen klan chosho. Berulapan paru ikajing sengokaman bak NPP kala yotau ya ke Executive Committee Haji HADC. Ukonrad Kongkal Sangma uloong bak kermen ban yok buon seat haki HADC nrekam syamla urlong. Nraya bak petpat ikajing long jingman kaseng NPP kala kiyo ikajing yok ke vote haki District Council. Ladai nujor bat election MP ke barang syudap.
Again, we don't look at anything lightly. We have to also remember that we have been running the council now continuously for almost 10 years now. So there will be challenges, no doubt about it, and we'll have to work hard. But yes, we are not taking anything lightly. But the results here technically will not directly impact the elections in Garo Hills. Garo Hills will be different factor. It's against a district council election. So there'll be district council issues. There'll be local issues, I think, which will be more important than any kind of a election result out here in Khasi Hills affecting the Garo Hills result. But that's fine. I think overall, whoever is running the government, at the end of the day, we all are working and serving the people of the state. So I'm sure that as we move along, when we see the development agenda, when we see the overall work for the people, I'm sure we all will reconcile and work towards overall larger interests of the people. So let us see how things go. But I do expect that they will be positive, and whatever we do and the district council does should always be in line with what is best for the people of the state. But yes, we had expected to do much better. We had hoped that we will be doing much better like we did in Jantia Hills. We expected that in Khasi Hills also we should be doing better compared to the MP election, which we have done to a large extent. If you look at the voting percentage and the number of votes that has come in, it's far more than the numbers that were there in the MP election. Having said that, we wanted to, of course, see that we get much larger numbers in Khasi Hills. But of course, that numbers did not work out. But as I said, I've seen the overall trend that the numbers of the votes that have come into the NPP as a party and the candidates which we had put up is far more than what we had received last time, say, in the MP election. So we have to introspect. We have to work harder. We have to improve overall our performances in each constituency. We will be very soon having a meeting to discuss all these issues and how to improve things. But on a more positive note, we are happy that we are forming the EC in Jantia Hills. Again, Jantia Hills also, in the last MP election, if you look at the trend, it was a very difficult one, and we have been able to overcome those challenges. And today, in spite of all the challenges that were there, we are able to form the EC out there. So this is a very positive news. So I'm very hopeful that in the coming months and years, similarly we will be able to improve the overall situation of the party, even in Khasi Hills. And I congratulate all the MDCs who were elected, irrespective of party. And of course, to the party candidates, of course, we will keep working and improving and strengthening the party at the grassroots level.
Tang hadin kandidat sengi baladap nyaw yiki vote jong ki election MDC jong ka KHADC bat JHADC hakala sengi blay jong ka tayo unong aiktin ka seng sang partai National People's Party uba HM Shangpliang ula pediang ya ka rai jong upat ba bat ula ongpan ba ka seng NPP kan sa syong bishar ban wat benya ya ka daw jong ka jingbam la ban job bongut haki election jong ka KHADC.
Unang aiktian keseng National People's Party NPP ubah Himalaya Moktan Shangpliang hak arp sautrik urampang arhajar arpusan. Ulapan pawi ke jinghun halor karai bipat ba akila ai hak bayday bat ke result jong ke election chaka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council bat ke Janta Hills Autonomous District Council. Dah ke bakadau bak NPP kan bishar bahai kidau bagi pat ba akila kentat ke NPP hak HADC. Habakaran kilat patai kubor halor ka KHADC. Ubah Himalaya Shangpliang uloong bawala ke NPP kala peniang arpusan hut ki kertong haki arpusan tadi ki konstituensi. Mereka seng kala job tang haki sau tadi ki konstituensi. Bad halor kan ia keseng kan sa Syong Bishar halor ke jengentat ki pat baik NPP haka ki HADC. Ubah Himalaya Shangpliang uloong bagi kertong ke NPP kelawan baar haki bobon ki konstituensi. Bad uloong bagi ke penpau baka seng kam telot. Bad ke NPP ke buram mekarai jeng ki pat ba bat kadon Mansyakri kipat ba. Dan kebak kedau bagi NPP kadon ke sorkar bat kan persyang Mansyakri kambah syusyu. Haga bedai bagi Janta Hills Autonomous District Council ubah Himalaya Shangpliang ulang buai kubleiru ikipat ba karilom jantia kibla ai karai ban penjob bon ya ke NPP. Haga ba ulang kedau bagi NPP kala job hakikat lai teli ki konstituensi na ki arp hundai teli baro. Balati kena bagadai ke seng kababon pat namar kejung job kat lai ngut ki MDC. Ulang bagi NPP kadang penkrek bantah bagi Executive Committee rengkat bat ki katu kanengot ki parlok ki berana kejuk kejengmut bat ki bakloi benong shibenta juga kenhun senrop banya lambiang ya ke Janta Hills Autonomous District Council.
Ni ai kejeng kublai i wei pi wei i nongshong oi ni sotu ba karai kejong ki pai ba kalong karai ka ba i de ben pediam ba ni burong ya karai ni pai ba de habang ong bumta khumot kini ki parlok saumut ki MDC ki badai na party jongi kin shong hakriya persya bat kin trei ya ka kam ban Syakri pai ba ka party NPP ka imsngi ban Syakri pai ba bat kanang yai Syakri pai ba haki sngi ba ki snem ki banwan ni ada ni snotho ba dakhwai ka party kapala yo majority kan sathau ya ka EC apo ka Khasi Hills Council nagaliang ka party NPP ni ai ka chikerman ki ba pat ni ai ka jingkit bok ki yang ki umjo ba kin trai ba kin trai minat ban Syakri upai ba pat nagaliang ka party NPP nginlong ki ba yai kershan ya ki kam ni ki mat ki ba dei ya kumta ka imlang salang ba kumjo ya ka roi ka par jong upai ba abang akren halor ka Janta Hills Council iso kemen ban pentip syapi bangi yo ya ke jingjob ki khalai tuli ki constituency but kini ki khalai mot ki MDC na ka party NPP jongi kinlong kita ki ban shong haka sorkar nane haka jipunya joka isi rengkat da ka bay tre but ki parlok party ki bay hak jingmot ba NPP ni ai khublei kumju ya ki para nong sosnong ki nong tebot jong ka Janta Hills Prokoi ya ka jikershan baki ki ai ya ka NPP bat kumju ni ai ka buram jing ya ki baro ya ka jing jet ya ki ni ki candidate jongi baki long kita ki bola job mata ka singi ikermen ba da ka jing Syakri jong ka NPP ha ka Janta Hills District Council kanang ai shushu ya lahat ban Syakri kambah kamjanai ban airu ya lahat ban punpoi ya ka development ha man ke kendong joka Janta Hills Prokoi
General Secretary ke National People's Party NPP ubasnya bhalang dhar ula pentep bagasang NPP kan thau ya ke Executive Committee ha Janta Hills Autonomous District Council JHADC da ka be trelang bat kilaingut ki MDC jong ka UDP bat arngut ki kertong Klemseng bat ya ke ni ke isi nyalam da uba thombor shiwan kum Chief Executive Member CEM
Walagi patba karilom Khasi Jantia haka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council but Janta Hills Autonomous District Council kila ai kejeng kershan ya keseng Voice of the People's Party VPP. Nagaliang sumut menteri rang ba kejelau ba senyaw balang dhar ulakam baga VPP kila hiar bah kejeng vote mentaga genti. Ladai nujor bat ka vote kiyo hak election MP. Habakran ni kilat patai kubor hak arpusan terek udampang arajar arpusan ubasnya balang dharu ulang baladai nujor ki election MP bagi election MDC. Wala ki padba kila ai tang sangut ki MDC ya ki NPP. Henry hak election MP ka VPP ka balasar lot abro arp kondai teli ki constituency Harilom Khasi. Henry hak election MDC pat ka yo tang khatnyau teli ki constituency. Baru ulang ba kini kapau bagi NPP ka lakio bha. Ulang beladekran halor ke election MP ka VPP ke yo san lak tam ki vote kan ba menta pada ke election MDC ke yo tang lai lak tam bat kene kalong tang apo pran kendai benai bagi job ke election MP bat mano bantep bakat banwan kesenam arajar apupra ka VPP ka abanhiar sada arpo daksis pa ai baru ulang bo entristom bakan longkumta halor kejing yo thau ka VPP ya ke executive committee ha ki HADC ubasnya balang dhar ulang ba ai baga VPP gan thawi ke executive committee haki HADC bat ansi epet ikerkom terekam jongka bat kejekerman kalong ikipat ba baga VPP kerada bankular balada kila ban terekat kum kejengko apat ba ne kimla upat ba hi unsa bishar
hang hakata pinyo ibang ila improve ba mara ka last election MP ka VPP kayo sanlak new po mulumala manta kayo stang lalak nya po more or less in the 36 constituency, we are very much improved in terms of vote share. Tematakan ni MBC kayo lailak nyapuwe, ke NBP kayo arlak prapo tam is different on 85,000. Hakalas ka different do lailak tam. But we are really improving as a NPP party and as MDA partner also. We are really improved.
Ke NPP ke VPP ke here.
Lah here laki laka from 5,70,000 to 3,71 is drastically reduced. In just in a span of 9-8 months. By 28, maybe to reduce 80%, we never know. And we are working towards that. Yang kalau kum ni yang berbeda dengan election MDC, nongkong ay kublay district administration bro artli, maka election we conduct very well kaya iba YRT. But kum ju upay ba peliru one board ke bron borom don kano. Taoy mla iklem da ay kublay kerpang lang jungay ke Jantil district kala. I ka support hadu kalangu di MBC na ka leng jong Jantil region. How yak bade ber kasil ro we respect the mandate of the people mo kila I hadu south di. Te jing jong hi ka bha na marba. La ringi nu jori ha ka last election MP. Ong ba ka VPP kala asarut bro ar kundai sit na kasil handai menta ka yo stang khanyo. It's we are improving very much. Tak beda dengan Giant Hills BOE kalau ingin lah improve bahi more than 50-60%. Tak kata yang ngeleng jungang. Aku boleh ki payback jungin nong Giant Hills belajar di parti jungin kita put bagi faith and confidence on NPP. Tinggi kum ke parti hak beda dengan Giant Hills jungin persang bantri bahakat barak. Hak beda dengan kasih ro ni aku boleh namar MP lah rem berok arkundal rem kubut mental ayo adu saw bat ke UDP San bat independent R bat Inspira long kadar. Is very much improve as MDA government. Maka election ni kamu self power kam tu don kipai ba ki wan thep vote ya ka vote bo borom ni thep sok. Namani ok khalai sit mud be use mo self power. La pilai ke mo self power lay for a small example ki VP ken ba so yeng yo tu rong ba song berim dengan arwan. Ha tu lai ilepa de ki ken use mo self power. Tersebut ki job khanew sit ha dengan ongi ki use mo self power. No, we respect the mandate. Why we should blame each other? We have to respect the mandate of the people. Hakasihil ki job khanyo sini kelama mo use mo self power. Ringin job khalai ko mo use mo self power, that's wrong. And kum kunu ksale min bro sime to excitement ng ran klami othi aso don bag baga jing tre bahaj district admission like tha bo pli klamen sa ri kon kiti. Namar ke expectation de ke junga kri jong pai ba ma kila kular bon ke bro. Ta tharap ki kular ki de men la man perform ki kila kular. Tu pai bak bastan kalau kilap nak kular kelak ban mel kim lak man pembe baki kular pai bak lamun simple as that pai bak kinai ki license mata sekhmat. Right from yesterday morning I am already warning them, please since the results will be declared by 10 or 11 AM afternoon, please take care all the village should be peacefully. I will install and there is not so yes obviously few here incidents there and there like Narwan yes so now everything's in place. Everything's in order.
Halor kamat ban pengeria ya ki harija na them yo molong. Ulito bak sarkar kam ai daw halor kamat ban pengkerja gijat ndeu harijan ndai gede kamat ka balas ateng di kebun snem. Bada syua bak sarkar kan shim karai ka ban long cerita dan kam ban shim ki senjam suki-suki. Ulang syok balada ke sarkar kalek kulmar balada ke pois ki yang bishar kandang wanra jeng syok kumta ke sarkar kalek bha. Kenang ba andal dep ban penbet ka de ban long cerita. Ulang bagi tip bagi pat ba kila kwa ban i ka kamat bahkan urlong no. Tek sarkar kan omlek kerkit.
Namar kalau kumbi mongar ba daw kat ba dai ki issue ba sa ki totally kisnam ta shwa bingin let's don ba bha bro shirta kadon kam yang man berkat ba tik na man nam la dingi le kulmar kan step in ka ko le dang sutum pan ban so na kata kada kum go man ngi watch back and front properly in such a manner so that once we solve it we will solve it once for all kata de kada mbe binga by time ni so tu ki pa ba jong se bo di bro ki ko kan dep ta ki kuai namar ba yo ngi rosh kulmar pitip ka de ko diswer ni now hani ngi kwa ba ngin persah kata kal tik nang da kanukur ko le mari ka wat ka kham simpor kendero se makla ben kan ben ba serta kan tadi ji kwa mu sarkar ta mne ba nga bangi ting no ma yo burum la ber umau yo so pi hamo bangi protek gitarum de re hani kan ngi tibi ba ka jing ang nu jong ka kipai ba jong ka steady ya kan isu apa solve no ni ka tawi la put top priority.
Now model code of conduct is over, so when are you planning to take this Harijan colony issue, because you said that last time that let the election get over.
Election will get over yesterday. Give me some time. Yeah, why are you so hurry on that? We are trying towards in the final stage of completion. Let us wait. Now session is coming. Yeah, we are let the new EC form. We are trying to address this issue as a government. We are trying to address this issue properly.
Kinoy alam kaseng United Democratic Party kibakan top yu ba polling do ba Meral Bonds im ba uba Kermenshalla kilapan pa ya kijing hun ya karai jung kipat ba hakabede bat ki election MDC jung ka KHADC bat JHADC hakaba kaseng kam shimla la ban le bha bat kilapan pa ba kaseng kandang yai treshitom ban yo e kijing i bat jingshan ya na upat ba kajalla.
Hadir manakaliang gipat ba akila ay karay jang ki halor kajing diet ekonomi kamat syaka KHADC bat ka GHADC. Nakaliang ki MLA kaseng UDP gibakan top uba polling do uba Meral Bonds im uba Kermenshalla kilapan pau ya kajingun halor kena karay jang gipat ba dag bakdo ba kaseng hi kan trishtom ban wara biang kajing syania jang pat ba. Ban chupin kan mau kaseng UDP ha kajing diet ekonomi kamat syaka KHADC bat ka GHADC. Kali otang san ngot ki MDC ha KHADC bat lai ngot ha JHADC. Nakaliang uba polling do ulo kado bagajeng mamla ke UDP ban job bon ki seat ha kene ki election kadai nakajeng persya sarkar ki pat ba harilom khasi bat jantia. Da ke bakado bagi pat ba ki sngo bagaseng batamai ka VPP kan wan ra senchar kadar ke bakhoi. Namar ka di keseng ga bam pat bat ulakam kajeng senchar. Uba polling do ulo pentip ru basyan ki UDP kan se kendo bat barok kinong yalam bagi nong kitkam banekran ye kajing mi na ki election syakine ki atli ki Autonomous District Council. Uba polling do ulapan paru kajing ero ekseng VPP keblajab katnyau teliti seat ha KHADC bat prateli ha GHADC. Dah kebaong baga bah palat bamenta baga VPP kalaran ka kerdan ke babiang banelamik executive committee ha KHADC bot kit bok ru beken nak pendep ialah kajing kular.
With ups and downs. Of course, our performance has been way below par. As a party, we will analyze where things went wrong and also try to ensure that we recover lost ground. And it certainly shows that it has emerged as a major player in the state's political dynamics. But again, as one of the longest and biggest regional parties, as UDP, now the task ahead of us is to ensure that we also pull our socks up and try to optimize our potential as a party. Anti-incumbency. People always think that new broom sweeps well, and As you're all aware, VPP has never been in power. So it's easier when you sit from the galleries to point out where things are going wrong on the ground. But we have been on the ground for very long. So obviously people can point at your mistakes because you're supposed to perform. But VPP till today has not donned the mantle of government or power. Therefore, it's easier to say that, look, we are without power, give us power first, then we will deliver. So it's good now that they are in a comfortable position to lead the EC in the KHADC. I wish them well, and I wish they will deliver on their electoral promises.
Nagalang Menteri Sarkar ubak kermenshla ulang bag jingjab duna ki MDC na UDP lagadai haka KHADC na JHADC kamdai bagaseng ka bakla henry kadai tang namar bagi padba kinan kejing kelinti ke bahaya ke bapenoi padba bikin warla thamai ula kedau bag jingjab buan ka VPP hak election MDC kambo jengma satya ya ke UDP namar hak election MP ki padba na barok ki constituency kila kershan pura ke VPP Henry mata ke VPP kalah hiar lah dapat kejungi vote jongki dah ke bakadau. Baka badan kami ke UDP kalau menteri hitam bat banyajan berupat ba.
There's nothing wrong actually. It's just that public expectation is too high, which is not easy or not not available. And just because of that, there are times that the public expectation is too high when you cannot deliver it. So people turns to find a new alternative. So for that, I don't blame anyone. It's just that the time has not favoring us. So we believe that if not today, there will be a good time for us. We have seen last election, MP election, what happened. The public, they give the mandates by giving all the votes to VPP in the MP election. So now at least the VPP have come down. If you calculate the votes, it do come down because those time all constituencies, especially in 7 constituency, MLA in Janda Hills, they took everything. All the seats they have won. Now you can see that they don't have the number. Yes, no doubt, they got 8 seats, VPP, but comparing to last, the performance has come down. I mean, comparing to MP election. So take it, this is their time. So they are lucky, and it's a bad luck for us that we could perform well. So still, people love us. My constituency, we have 5 constituency MDC. So out of 5, UDP still leading. We have 2, and then VPP they have 1, which is a combination of my constituency and Ma Cummings constituency. So there, the VPP got the seats, and 1 independent, which is a full constituency under my constituency MLA, and 1 NPP, which is half my constituency, half is from Santa Mary constituency. So NPP he got 1. So if combine all this in my constituency, I still lead. We have 2 numbers. I'm not so proud of that, but still good enough what the public has given. But still will make better. 28.
UMLA kenong po ba Amiral Bonsiam ulang bag jingjab von ka VPP ka KHADC gede namar bakani ka sangrang thamai bat ki patba ki kwa ban aila daka kenang bakin yo ban bishar ya ki kam jongki kumbaki lakular ulang so bag jingbam jet ki patba yo kortong ka UDP nanong po kala manlong namar baki patba ki lakwa ka jingkala ane kala manon ka jingduna na kaliang jong kaseng Uba Amiral Bonsiam ulang ru bag jingjab bon ka VPP kan am kata ya ka UDP hak election MLA Namar ki election MLA karang dan salai senam. Barkum kaseng kan trish tam or padba ujujet ekonomi khmat ki bateri bah.
Ya ka result ka MDC hakaba ka UDP u kertong jo ka UDP nopo u klampoi sya ka thong na lo nang taru ngi I ha po di bhai barok awe ka UDP ka klamla ban job tang sisi tru te pitan yu banong hana kani
PE hagaban kong kum u MLA jongka parti nasngo ban ai komple ki bai ba ki balami renti ban thet la jong vote pi ka jik job ka jing rem haka sensyar bai ba ka dombe ngir mi pediang dari jing snorit ya ka jing rem hanong po ka dosi ya ba balijit rani musim nala poi so thong jo jing jok buat apring ila percang ban tristom kan bala genre se ki pai ba ki kwa ke jing kala ne kim se ki don ki jing duna ki jungi kum ki nong mikmat ki ngi don se ki don ki jing duna hang ne tai ko ki pai ba ki kim siam la kersan shu ban penjob ye ngin sim bagane ko long kum ka sinjam ha ka bangin nang la ban kampen ba ki por ki ban wan ban sim ro ni kabu ban ai kublei kerpang bat kit bok keryan ya ki bajok barok na Grego district bakin tri ba ban pen tikna ba lang ba ki an ki ba pher ki baladon ban nang pen klan chu bat ru ki an ki ba thamai ban pen tikna ba ka jing don jong ka khnit ka ban riu ngin nang la ban pen klan ya ki jong ban rai khando sia reti ka tustu ki ka emani election ta ka don salai sinem kum ka parti la persang menteri genre menta bangin keren lupa yo arja pura kadang kloi than bat ba ka san hi kalong ba kadi ka komno ni train ni sekarang komno ni ladap ban train maka ni ka barang sudah mentang di MDC election bat ba arja pura di MLA election ka kipat ba ket sa pension nong rim halor ke jing trikam jom MLA lane ka MLA lane ki political party beper try uno candidate lane uno MLA lane kan uno ke MLA ki bateri bai ngam aratin ban ong ba pat ba kindang ai gi senia ban job bian ka por sa ka por ba ka tang i a ki pat ba ka bor ka shong han pat ba ada gi dang so day nang yo ban beteng pat ba ka bor ka di ka shong ki
ti kani ka MDC election hi ki pai ba ki kersan ya ka parti riulom hindrai ki aibon ba kata ka vote ya ka VPP ti ka jing yu jo ki ka daw tharai ba ki pai ba ki mon ya kani ka parti VPP
ki ka batmai di ka itna bor batmai ni ju so tana ba ni kemen apa ni yo ki political party ke jing kiu ke jing hiar jong political party kam di ke batmai la de ka jing ya lenti ke jumi ni pet ya ka Congress party ke don ka por ba ka kiu ba don por ba ka hiar akan ni election mentali ba sisit u klam yo ka BJP ke party don ki por ba ka kiu ba don por ba ka hiar di political party ki wan ki leg ba ta ten re ki pat ba ki start hi ban pet ia kan ni jing ne jing political party ka no bekila ban syakri ka BPP ke parti ke batman mentah di council ki yo ya ka jing don briu ko pura absolute majority tengi kit bok ki ruyang ba kin tri bai nang ba ki pet ba kin persunung rim halor ke jing tre ba kin nang la ban perkhat la kin nang an beteng ne ba kin nom beteng chu
Hadian ba Menteri Rang ba ka Assam Himanta Biswa Sarma ulakan thok persya ek skul ba University of Science and Technology Meghalaya USTM bakal don kti hakaban le ki kam ki bom khot bat wat habau chancellor ka USTM Mahbub ul Haq ula syakam halo ke jing kno ba ula don kti hak jing le bom khot hak jing penlong yak examine CBSE class 12 hendrai menteri ke pule puthi ke jala urakam isangma ulong bak sarkar jala haduk menta kampat ya pediang setia yak jing ujor persya yak USTM kapadon hakajalla.
Kibor pulet ke distrik Riboy ke arpu pratir urempang arhajar arpusan kila khanglat ke jing temu jaka kenhon ki pulet ke Assam manit kenrai ke skol ba USTM kapadon ke distrik Riboy. Laban kedau bagi pulet ke Assam ke berang penlong ya ke jing toket halor ke jing keno bayran keti chancellor ke USTM Mahbubul Haq ban le thok hak examen CBSE class 12 hak subject physics hak we ke jaka pule kapadon hak jela Assam. Bat ke pulit ke Assam ke lakem yau neu chancellor ke arpu artrik urempang. Bat ikiwei pak kena hikai ke bala kenok bagi dan bentah hak kena kam nak thok. Habayo abane keran bu superintendent ke pulit ke Riboy VS Rathor uletho bagi bor pulit ke Riboy. Kile jingtep bagi pulit ke Assam ke lapoi ha ka thanat khanapara bagi jing temu wan pane ke jinge trailang balik kenrai ke skol ba USTM. Halor ke mokot uma blu ujor persya yau chancellor hapo ka thanat Karimganj. Uli itu ru bana kaliang ki pulit ke distrik Ribhoi kem shimna tre ban ai ke jinge tre lang bagi pulit ke Assam halor kanong rem menadai kanong kanong ke jingmi ki kenrom kenram. Bar hukum jo la betha ki pulit ke Assam bagi dei ban yo shwa de search warrant nagi yang syari shwa bagin penlong ya ke jinglet kenra ha kinu kinu ki benta ke jela Meghalaya. Shoshuru le tho bahadian bagi pulit ke Assam kem shimla yo obor ne ke jinge tre lang nagi pulit ke Meghalaya kumta kilahap menit paino. Wada pedang kijing kena ki babon ke belami no menteri rang ba kejala Assam Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma persya yo chancellor ke skol ba USTM. Bat bodru da kejing syakem jong no chancellor nakaliang menteri ketenat puri putih kejala Meghalaya rakam e sangma uli thu bahaduk menta ke sarkar jela kampat yo pedang setia kijing ujor ke belang persya ya ke skol ba USTM ke badan hak distrik Ribhoi. Habakran kilat patai kubor agak arpusan terik urampang arhajar arpusan urakam sangma uloang ba ke skul ba USTM kadai ke skul ba Kidoshimen. Kemudian Meghalaya bat kala menjuru da ke yang dorbat hawan kejela ban bu yaka. Bat ikni ke skul ba la peniat kat kum ki kendon ke private university rules jong sarkar jela. Halo kijing sya kena ba ke USTM ke I certificate talk. Urakam e sangma uloang ba ke jingkem ki pulet ke Assam eu chancellor ke USTM. Kamdai halor kata kijing sya kena. Nrai kedai nak wei pat kedau, nrai kuat ben keran AA halor kata, nomor 4 dan jengtip AA.
No, they are governed by the private university rules of the government of Meghalaya, right? But they are mandated and passed in the state assembly for the establishment of the university. And it has nothing to do with the USTM. It has been appeared in the news, been for some of the reasons, some of the issues within Assam. So I don't have any comments. I don't have any detail on all the subjects. No, since we are yet to receive any complaint from anybody officially in written, have it been so? Could have been a different story. But now, as of now, since there is no any official communication from anybody. So that question doesn't arise as of now.
So just one more thing. We've seen that the Assam CM is continuously going after this particular university for the last 3 or 4 occasions. So do you see any political vendetta behind this, sir? Because he's been continuously targeting this particular university.
Sorry, I don't have any comments in all this, but that is I don't know what's the subject grammar. What's the grammar on this? So I also don't know. Right? Without reading the proper grammar, I want to able to comment on this.
Dah kejing temu banyale banyada bat ban penek pensa ikitalong ki badan hakeleng kejala kamtam haba hakeleng kepertai kilamat ikijing kerdu nakaliang menteri ketenat PHE Marquis N Marak ulong baki sorka jala kala shemi kesenjam banyada ya kihinyau spa sau pawai tali kitalong ki bakongsan ki badan hakeleng kijaka jong kejala Meghalaya.
Menteri ketenat PHE kejala Meghalaya Marquis N Marak ula pentip banakaliang ketenat kala shimkia ban shimik senjam banyada yakih nyos pa sapui tili kitelong ke bakongsan ha kejala. Apakran ngilat patai kubor ka arpsan terik urampang arhajar arpsan Marquis N Marak ulong ba kejingker doom kadan omtang ha Meghalaya ndai ha kelengkari bat keni kadai na kejingkelak sun benang. Ulitu badang shen ulalit banishim benta kejingilang ka baar jong menteri jong ketenat jong kari India berokowai. Kabalong ha Udaipur banikran halor kena kamat. Marquis N Marak uletu banakaliang ke sarkar jela kala itu ikih nyos pa sapui teli kitelong kiba kongsan ha jela ha kabakatrat kal shimik senjam meneda kini kitelong kiba kongsan. Nalor kenia po kejingilam menteri rang ba kejela Konrad Kongkal Sangma kejela Meghalaya kala thawi ka Climate Council. Ha kaba kani ka Climate Council kala rai bakani kitelong kiba kongsan bah kabala itu ketenat PHE kan jemikilat kilenti kumno meneda. Halor ke Jal Jeevan Mission ulong ba kejing syakta kitelong kakta bahai kejing terekam ke Jal Jeevan Mission. Badikani hablik benjurep ikisnong kitau la syam ba kejing bamiat bet ke Jal Jeevan Mission kedai tang nakadau betul kong kitelong
Water sources drying up issue is related to the climate change impact. Because of the climate change, it is being happen everywhere. Very recently, 18th and 19th of February, we had a second All India Water Ministers Conference in Udaipur. There also, heard from all the state ministers. Everywhere it is happening. So it's an impact of climate change. So therefore, not only in Meghalaya, it's happening all over the country and all over the globe. Yes, of course, we have started taking corrective measures. It will, we will get a result after some of the couple of years after we will get the result. So we have started the rejuvenation of the springs and then water sources wherever it is drying up. And very recently, PHE department has identified 741 critical water sources. That water critical sources, as I have already discussed with you, told to you, that under the Honorable Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma, Meghalaya has formed a climate council. So in that climate council, it has been decided that this particular critical water sources, which has been identified by the PHE department, is being corrective measures are being taken up for that.
Do you think that the problems?
It is being impacted. Most of the water sources, most of the GGM projects, you go and ask in the villages, wherever the villages are not getting water, it's because of the sources drying up. So we are taking all the measures, definitely. I talked about the spring rejuvenation because only if we rejuvenate the spring sources, then only the rivers, the flow of the water in the rivers will be there. So they have already taken note of that. In the takeaways during the valedictory program, I was told that the takeaway of our proposal was this spring rejuvenation was taken up. We are planning to go for a rainwater harvesting. There are rainwater harvesting in two ways. One is to harvest for yourself inside your houses, and then the other is to recharge the groundwater. So that also is being adopted.
Hadirin bagi kubur kela sapriang ya kejing persajur kipat ba banwanra ekalentiral hakasimalang jong katayo Menteri Kesokan Meghalaya uba kermen shela ulong badai ban ailat ikitrashnong karilom chantia ban shimekarai bat kebriu kibanabar kimdai setia ban tuklar ya kanikakam.
Habakren lo kejing tumu banwanra ekalentiral na Chaparmuk Junction ha Assam Shajawai ha Meghalaya. Menteri Kesorkar Jelau ba Kermen Jelau loong banalorkan ia di ben ailat ikitrashnong kajawai bikin shemekarai. Bat kibai ki benabar kenegatan kem de bentuk lar yai. La ban kedau hangia bahap pedang kejing penslam mega project lentiral na bernihat Shillong. Kladon kejing terwa ke Bathamai na kebenta ke project rel ke banlong shispa prapo kilometer na Choranmuk Jun Shajawai ha ke Jelam Meghalaya. Nri halorkan ia project kladon kejing persyak ke babon kentop ni kisang phalang. Habagran gilat patai kubora ke arpusan terik udampang arhajar arpusan uba kermen celau loong bagi sorkar kaniat kadum kamon jegi patba lagi menjurlang kakloi ban pediang kani. Mereka rai ke di ban long tang jong kitrai snong bat omde mendan manu menurut ki banabar katan ki ban tuklar. Nomor tang kitrai snong hi ke besngotu ya kayok kokok jongki bat ke sorkar kaniat kat kum kejeng kuah upat ba.
Nothing should happen against the public or nothing should not happen when they are in favor of. We are here for the public and we'll make sure that we are with the public and it will happen with that.
Personally, now, don't you think that a final decision should be arrived at and consultation should be held with the public because it's not happening for many years?
That actually most I have heard, most of them they give their views and opinions. It's just that they need to calculate what exactly the benefits when we have train. What if by having a train, how will it boost the economy, the business? To be frank, and I think everyone knows that Jaintia people, they are very smart in business, and most of them are in business, so they know exactly which will bring them, to boost the economy of our district. So for this, I would like to see that no interference from anybody that let the public should decide.
But will there be any? Will you call for any consultation or something?
It's going on, to be frank.
But when the report will
Personal, individual, but it's just that we need to come to one big meeting where everyone should come, and then especially those local people from that area. If suppose they want to bring train to Jawai, so let the Jawai people decide, and if it goes through my area, my people also will decide. But if it didn't go through my area, why would we go and just poke? But let them decide which area will come. If it happens that it will come in my areas, let my people from my area decide whether to accept it or not. No interference should be there from outsiders. That's all I want to say. If there is, I cannot say whether it's there. It has not come yet to that part, but I've just say, if there is anything chances to happen, they should not let the local people decide because they know the better their livelihood, how they are, who are we to poke on others, plate, because we should take care of our own and take it support. No doubt we would love to have the support of others, but not to brainwash our people. That's all I want to
Well,
say.
sir, will you suggest the government to call for a public meeting so that final decision can be
No,
arrived
for
at?
this, we as a local representative, we can take care of this. Let the government not come into that conclusion.
will you
Let me
ask
suggest fast, especially as a local representative, we will have a talk with our people. After we see that if they say no, that means we'll stand against the government if they try to bring it. If the public say yes, we will stand with public and then request for it. I am with the public.
Habangin beteng biang ye kubor ngin pinkan maru yakimat bakong san jong ka kubor mentah katayo. Job bun ngut ki kertong ka VPP HKHADC bat ke NPP HJHADC. Shimti uba Shembor Lang Renja kum UCEM bat uba strong pilar Kharjana kum chairman ke KHADC. Sedang kedua bar mangtengka da ke jingwan ajing keren ulat ke jela. Bamdu kitliting ya kayeng bat sensar hakicin japluk ding ha smu suba badan batang kenang. Nlet ya kendu Menteri Rang Ba Konrad Kesang Ma ya Menteri ya dari banbo ya ki instrument landing equipment hakajaka sipai. Halor kalin tirel na Assam sa Jawai daiban ailat de kitrashnong bakin rai kibanabar kim daiban tuklar ong Menteri Kesorka Meghalaya. Bat ensyong yaki uba Michael NCM Hajan Sekretariat naduk kalai tarik uluber halor ke jingsyak kini ke jaka baju shimwai. Chairperson jong ke National Council for Teacher Education NCTE ke Sarkar India Professor Pankaj Arora hakisi palai jong ke tayo ula penselori ke college bat ya ke university ke badan hapok kari bakin sedang ya ke Integrated Teacher Education Program ITEP ban ajing hikai ya ke samla ke badan ya ke jingtrang ban long kum kinong hikai hak school bapher ke badan hakeleng kari India.
Ka National Council for Teacher Education NCTE ka penselur ya ki jaka pule ki bakentup ki college bagi sekolah ba akari bakin sedang ya ke Integrated Teacher Education Program ITEP na ka bentar ba aji kai pokok bandong no hikai high school bapher hakalengkari la ban kedau hang ni ba ki por ki belalet ki bakwa ban rong cikakam hikai ki jependap ya ke BEd anda ki la pendap ka graduation. Habakran kilat patai kubor Shillong Press Club aka arpunyau terik urempang Arhajar Arpusan, Chairperson ke NCTE Professor Pankaj Arora ulai tu bah hakajaka jokane ki bobon mentah kelas sedang hakari ya ke ITEP. Bat hapok kena ke program la sedang kum ka pilot mode hakasnam Arhajar Arpulai tang deki Arpusau teli ki jaka pulih hakalengkari. Nrei hakasnam Arhajar Arpusau ya ke ITEP kala long kum ka mission bat hadu kini gisni ki dan san punyau teli ki jaka pulih ki belas sedang ya ke ITEP. Professor Pankaj Arora ulah pentep bah Meghalaya haduk mentah kidan tang arteli ki jaka pulia ki bala penterikam ya kini. Bagini ki kentup ya kyang nang ba Government College Hajawai bat ka skol ba North Eastern Hill University Shillong. Professor Pankaj Arora ulah ongru bagi jaka pulia hakelengkari kila aban apply ya ke ITEP la ka longkum ka ko ITEP ne ka specialized ITEP. Bat kat kum gejingdan gejingtai ba gejingdan kino hikai ki betebet. Dah kedauru bak ITEP kadai gejing pulia ke basau senam. Kebakentuk belang ya ke degree course bat kum joru gejing hikai pentebet aka kam hikai. bat ha bakut jong ke program pulia la ai ke certificate ke kerdan jong ke graduation bat ke BEd. Kabala itu ada ke UGC bat ke NCTE bat ke bawara ke jingkala ke babuan rengkat ke jingade ke bekerpang kat kum ke National Education Policy Hajar Arpo.
And in the field of teacher education, NCT is bringing multiple changes, multiple upgradation with specific context of National Education Policy 2020. Education Policy 2020 has proposed overhauling of education in India. In that line, NCERT has got a new school structure in place by bringing Bal Vatika study material and textbooks in the year 2022 curriculum framework for foundational stage, and 2023 they brought curriculum framework for secondary school. And now, to meet the expectations of new school structure, NCT is gearing up to bring transformation into teacher education to meet the expectations of school structure, which is a new structure 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4. In 5 years, first 5 years, a child will be undergoing the stage which is known as foundational stage. Then 3 years of preparatory stage, which is class 3, 4 and 5. Then middle stage, which is class 6, 7 and 8. And then secondary stage, which is 9, 10, 11 and 12. So earlier our teacher education program was structured to cater the needs of 10 plus 2 school system. Now we are transforming those teacher education programs and bringing 4 stages of teacher education specialization according to the 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4 stage which has been proposed for school education. So in that context, on 20th February, NCT has got its new regulations 2025, and 9 revised, upgraded teacher education programs in the light of NEP 2020.
Ucaman Kamat Chaprang Tourism Promotion Club uba Michael NCM hakase balang jong katayo namar kijing persyak jori ke sarkar jala kabalale silang kamat ikinong sengkam ban kentiu ya kakam jungok kai hakajala kumta kum kadak ban persyak ula penbena ban penlong da kijing yaki hakalai tarik urempang Hajan Secretariat.
Ucaman Kamat Chaprang Tourism Promotion Club uba Michael NCM ulapan benab un penlong da kijing yaki hakalai tarik ulaber Hajan ke Secretariat man persyak kijing keno le silang ke sarkar kinong sengkam hakakam jungok kai perthai. Habakaran kilat patai kubor haka arpun ro tarik urempang Hajar Arpusan Hasilong Press Club uba Michael NCM uliatho ba ya kadolanong lompong deng la shimti da Kamat Chaprang Tourism Promotion Club na ro kasnam syajar kandai spa kandai punyau naga Meghalaya Energy Corporation Limited ka Corporate Affairs na kabentaban kentiu ka kam jungok kai perthai ha kejela. Bagani ke kenhuan mentala ar penyusnam kala sumar ba kala penitenat bahai kene kejaka. Nrei nak liang sarkar kala phat ke sithi ban pensangi ano ya kejing IY syakane ka club. Uba Michael CM mulitho bahalor kane ka Kamat Chaprang Tourism Promotion Club kala let bani kendo ya ki menteri sarkar ba kumjo yu menteri rang ba kejelau Konrad Kongkal Sangma. Ban kerpat bunyarap naga kenhuan kala yo askawi pak sithi bala penjelan syaka khatsan terik urempang Hajar Arpusan. Bad yu menai leber day ban penprano. Uba Michael NCM mula kedauru bagi jingli sarkar kam day kasian ke Beringkong namar wat ya ke Crinoline swimming pool ru ninggong kedaitan kejakai di kiat ekhalai. Nrik sarkar hi kala terwai u barhaba kila yo ban penitenat ban penelong ya kejaka ke bapau kila keni ano kila msio bailuk kesan. Bakani kejuhi ke sarkar kala lek biang kumju. Uba Michael CM mula kedauang ni bahaswa bakani ka Tourism Promotion Club kan shimti kene kedau lendong. Amdan BI besumar kene kejaka berhadian kejing shimti. Kila pedi tenat kene kejaka kebalala abhaban kreng ya kinong wanjung okai perthai syakane kejaka. Nrei menta kila mut ban keni jendat no. Ula boru kejing keli beladai hiwai kiterwa ban IY jaka balik kini epat ikam jengki trai jela komta ularai ban mi baneki Hajan ke Secretariat naduk ke Portman Step aduk ke Port Jan Miet ban lakasni.
Hari ini pun sedang mengi, harus memang hanya bagi senar ini harus buat. Lasar ini harus buat Nambun turis buat. Hindi tadi local tourist lagi ki Indian tourist lewat ki menabar ibu sa tu. Got a good feedback lagi. Dia how benai ni aja sau. India Today notice website the name yang di houseboat as one among the most exotic resorts in the Northeast in Meghalaya. Di tamin naka island ke bom doni mentani la nalor kata ni serious government tu 51% dari manusia. Ia bat tak boleh haru ni katakan ba naka India Today telah recognize ini. Tinggi nak kemen bahawa government kena promosi treatment ni honesty ba government kan tiru kan penprano iyo okay ketika cakap yang sokar at least I financial relief ini no you don't be betray bagi mata si family tak harus news yang betray ini mata asal orang ba sama juga di kesuan mesti ba itu begitu di klaim gunu ba tinggi yang government itu at least I financial relief aduh hatui ujian atau sih man kasih holding di kimat ares kan bagi dia dari as a mark of protest jingit meskipun cakap government guidelines hotel 2 towers seorang jiwa dibeli di rupiah nah try kemauan jika relation pulu mencoba relation politik di cakap government kami review di cakap dia kalah gitu ini government ni keterwaian ni perlunya penyanyi ni lah relation pulu ini ada penyanyi lah expose nam ayah ke anong one of the best health resorts in the state no entah ni swimming long so popular beliau di hadir itu siwan no nak pembahang ni ni ramai compensation kami di sini nano lagi aku tu entah yang hadir ni ini semua entah no kat pemilih ni ni no sure no state no ni inas hai jingat ada ni apa pun yang state ketika sports ni di tourism ni be non silong bertagar penting iman por kita ni semua ada protest kian lima ni ba kalau bijuli siang itu PVI ni semua kata ini ba dulu mandi dia protest masuk kan dulu tapi so mana sih
Te paralog baro ada kitu ki kubor ngila poy shika bakot jang tup kubor jang imenta ka jan mir ngasa sham biang bat pi la sham tayo kublai shibur